Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Spigen nightstand for Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Watch Series 5 and Galaxy Watch Fan Edition. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Some informations. Soft material, very friendly to my finger. We have a nano tack pad. Peel off the protective film and apply it to the surface. Very sticky. Prevents scratching and sliding on flat surfaces. To reuse, clean the nanotack pad with water and dry it thoroughly. You can use the included silicone pad to adjust the compatibility of your watch device. You can install it here. For the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025, I don't need to use that. And of course we need the charger for the watch. The precise fit fastens the cable for easy installation and cable management. You can install the cable on the right or left. It looks amazing. Fits perfect. I really like the sturdy build and the angle it holds the watch at, making it easy to check the time or notifications at a glance. It's a great little upgrade for your bedside or desk setup. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more accessory reviews and everyday tech upgrades. Thanks for watching, keep your tech organized and I'll see you in the next one.